We're going to go ahead and give this guy just a basic adjustment. It's kind of diagnostic in a way because it tells me if you're responding or not. You don't really have much musculoskeletal complaint to start with.
So I'm sweating, I'm nervous.
I think what we're just going to do is what we call a tune-up.
Okay.
All right? I like them. All my patients like them.
Okay.
You'll like it.
Okay. Yes,
I haven't had an accident once yet in 42 years, so nothing bad's going to happen here.
I will have to let you know, though.
This guy's over dramatic.
I have the
Come on.
You. I'm telling you right now, I have the worst. Yo, I think he needs a chiropractor.
Let's do it.
Okay.
I can't, bro.
You're part of this thing?
Everything.
All right.
Yo, Chad, am I weird?
You mind if I explain what I'm doing as I do it? Would that be good for you?
Yeah.